Hey everybody, Michael Zinovich with Impulsive Fabworks again. Here I'm doing another weekly recap. I didn't do one last week. I didn't get as much as I wanted done last week. But we're going to tie last week into this week. We got a smudge pot we got done last week. It'll be going out to the customer this week. You'll be seeing some of Jimmy's. Got new A-arms for it today. Just got to get it put back together, which you'll see the damages in it. Just put mine back together. It'll be going to loop 2 tomorrow morning. But yeah, just watch the recap and tell me what you think. And we'll see if we can get more content this weekend of riding, and we'll get more build videos as we go. We're about to start up on some new stuff. Got the transmission opened up and found out it actually busted that gear and that gear. So when it flexed the case, it must have put the teeth in a bind and shattered it. The teardown continues on Jimmy's chassis. Got the A-arm right there that buckled. This A-arm looks like it's good. The bushing's a little twisted, but not too bad on the end. I had to cut that bolt out, so we'll have to hammer that through still. I had to cut it off there because it bent it and got stuck. It actually broke the bolt on this side and sheared off that bolt completely. Got to replace these tabs. These tabs are all good. And these tabs are all good. Got the front end cut out. It's just been slowly getting bashed in farther and farther, which we've known about. So now we'll go in and we'll put a tube across here, tube across here, tube across here, and connect it all together. Kind of rebuild the front end to kind of look like that again. The A-arm over here has a little buckle there, so that's going to need replaced. This A-arm is a little twisted on the upper plate, but it's not too bad. Other than that, gotta go in here and just weld up some stuff. See about bracing the front end a little bit more too. I gotta go and tweak the tubes around a little bit. It's a little bit off on its X measurement though. But yeah, he's gotta deal with his boots. His boots are torn a little bit, but his axles are nice and good shape still. Diff looks like it's all in good shape. Rack looks like it's good shape. Gotta replace that inner tie rod end. More work to come.